Okay, welcome back to the channel. So someone asked me to make a video. Now you can register your KRA PIN. That is your PIN certificate. And you can see this is the official KRA portal. This is the KRA website. So you simply search for iTax. Then you will get this. So when you search itax.kra.go.ke, as you can see, the domain is here. Then you will see this login page, PIN and password and the ID. So you'll insert here. So if it is PIN, you insert here. If it is ID, you insert here. Then you proceed. But for new PIN registration, so you'll see this one, new PIN registration, and you'll see this clickable link here. So you click on that. Then you will be taken to this page. You can see taxpayer type. You need to select if it is for individual person, select individual. If it is for non-individual, that is like a company, you register as non-individual. So I'm going to click on individual. Then mode of registration is always online registration. Do you want to register a PIN with no application? So no application is that PIN document that is maybe required of you. Maybe you don't intend to be earning income, maybe. So this one you select no. Do you want to register with no application? So no, I'm going to register with application, that is income tax. So this is the landing page. You can see we have basic information, obligation details, source of income details, then finally agent details. So for basic information, I'm going to proceed like this. So you register significant. This one is no. Citizenship, Kenyan. Do you want to register TOT? No. Then employees provision. So here you insert your profession. If you are a farmer, choose agriculture. If you are maybe someone working in mining industry, choose mining. Professional, senior government. It is for me. I'm going to choose student. Then you just leave it this way. Subgroup, then minor group. Now, so national ID is here. So I'm going to write my national identification number. Then here, date of birth. So 01. As per your ID, you insert as per your ID. So when you click anywhere within outside here, you'll see the other details will be filled automatic. So please fill the ones with asterisks. That means it is compulsory to be filled. You can see this one, this red asterisk. So road, I'm going to choose caps building. So this one I'm going to write caps. So then this one I'm going to write opposite Equity Bank. Then come here for your county. I'm going to select Elgeyo Marakwet. Then city, that is town or city, select your nearest town. Then district, choose your sub-county. Then come here for tax area or locality. So this is not a must. Descriptive address is not a must. So you can proceed. Then postal address. So choose your postal address. For me, that is 700. It is here. Then you can see the town has been filled. PO box maybe 128. Telephone number. You can see the mobile number 1 is compulsory. So I'm going to insert this one. Email address, I'm going to Try this one. Yes. So I'm going to send an OTP. In order to continue using this one, you are required to verify your email address. So OTP will send. I'm clicking OK. So the OTP is here, 1792. As you can see, I've written there. So would you like to subscribe? I'm going to click on no. Understand this one. Do you have an alternative address? Definitely no. Do you wish to declare bank? Are you a partner, director, or trustee? Clicking no. Do you like to declare a relationship with the taxpayer? No. Then this supporting document is also compulsory. So you choose okay. Insert this image for the ID. Then I'm going to click next. So here, obligation details, please just insert the day or date you are applying for this. For me, I'm applying on 16th July 2026. Then I'm going to click on next. Source of income details, employment income, no. Rental income, I don't have rental. So I'm going to click all this no. So if you have, please select yes. Then I'm going to proceed. So property details, I'm going to leave this one. Then agent details, this will be duly filled by agents who are applying for other applicants. Then I'm going to click on this recapture. So this one will be 166. Then I'm going to click on submit. You have registered this one as your primary this communication. Yes. So do you want to submit the data? Yes. So please wait. So the PIN document is here. I'm going to click here, download PIN. And you can see this is the PIN. So, and that is how simple it is, how to register for KRA PIN. So for more videos, please like, share, and also subscribe. Make sure to give us a thumbs up.